How to add extra baggage in Singapore Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you would learn how you can add extra baggage in Singapore Airlines, and here is how to go about it. The first way, first thing you must notice that when flying with Singapore Airlines, you have the option to pre-purchase additional baggage allowance online up to 6 hours before your flight departs, and by doing so you can also enjoy six discounted rates of 10% to 25% instead of you doing it while you are at the airport. So the first thing is to manage your booking. So visit Singapore Airlines website just like I have done here. And the second thing you should do is to log in into your account. Yeah, by the time you have an account with Singapore, you have a higher chance to carry out things that you would like to do. So once you've logged in into Singapore Airlines, just move to the top right side here and click on login on sign up. Log in if you have an account already, and sign up if you do not have an account already. All right, so once you've logged in, this will no longer be displayed. This login to your KrisFlyer account, it will no longer be displayed, and instead you also see an opportunity to see more privileges that you have as a KrisFlyer member. So once you've done that, the next thing you should head to is to head to the lower part of the screen here, where you can see options like book trip, manage booking, check-in, flight status, as well as flight schedule. Once you can see this, just go ahead and click on manage booking. After clicking on manage booking, you will be brought to the manage booking process, where you can manage your booking. All right, so since the booking you've done before, how do you manage it? How do you edit things that you no longer want in there? Since you are trying to add an additional baggage, just go ahead and select any of these methods, either through your booking reference or your e-ticket number. I would recommend you using your booking reference. Your booking reference would be sent to you after you have made payments for a flight on your email. So just check your email, and then once you get it, copy it, paste it in here, move to the right side of the screen, type out your last name as it appears in your passport, and then move over and click on manage booking. And then you'll be taken to your bookings page. All right, so on this page you can now decide to add additional baggage as you so desire. All right, and then you can now calculate the costs, and you are good to go. So this is how it works. The reason you should sign up as a KrisFlyer is because you will receive additional discounts on pre-purchased extra bag. So ensure you log in into your KrisFlyer account while booking your flight to view the available discounts. So this is how it works. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.